Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to attach the battery handle to the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. So there's this thing which is a battery handle, and apparently it allows you to attach it to a stand or anything like that by using this little port on the bottom. And it also stores a little additional battery, so it's like a little power bank. Now, to attach it, all you need to do is just find the USB-C port on the bottom, align it with this USB-C cable, and just kind of click it in like that. So just push it in, and it's going to connect. So you have these two little things right here that click in on the gimbal itself. So if they don't, you can just kind of push them like that, and it's all going to connect. So now it's pretty sturdy, it's holding on. And if you want to take it off, all you need to do is just click on this little button right here and just pull it out. And that is pretty much how you do it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.